Are you ready for an epic fall festival? Let's go to the newest national park of US. We are here early even before they set up the queues to catch the largest single day fall festival, Bridge Day at the new River Gorge National Park, West Virginia. Right now we are walking on the bridge, which is usually buzzing with trucks, but today it's closed just for this awesome festival. Look at those fall colors making the day more beautiful. They are setting up the platform for jumpers to base jump into the gorge below. And there goes the first jumper. Plus there are human catapults here. This festival is amazing. Thousands of jumpers will leap all day long. Would you dare to do it? We got a sneak peek of how they pack parachutes, and there's plenty of shopping to check out too. Next, we hopped in a shuttle to head down the gorge and see where the jumpers land. Cheering crowds make every landing so exciting. Some jumpers even land right in the river. It happens every third Saturday in October, and it's a great idea to reserve shuttles and activities a couple of months in advance. So where are you going this fall? See you out there.